Hello, my name is Norman. The other day, I decided to take a closer look at my most profitable trades over the last 3 months. I reviewed the charts, entry points, market behavior, and found a pattern. It turned out that 2 indicators gave me the most accurate signals: rate of change and parabolic SAR. I combined them into one strategy, and today I'm going to test it in real time. My current balance is $5,100, and I'm taking this very seriously. I think this combination can give excellent results. My name is Norman. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's see what this strategy is capable of. Let's go. First, let's set up the tools for work. If you need a promo code for a deposit bonus, check out the description. I choose Classic Candles, time frame, 1 minute. Go to the Indicators tab and select Rate of Change and Parabolic SR. Let's configure the Parabolic SAR indicator. Set acceleration to 0.03. Set maximum acceleration to 0.3. Go to Style. Set mainline to yellow and set the width to 2. Save. Let's configure Rate of Change. Set period to 7. Go to Style. Set mainline width to 2. Save. The indicators are ready to go. Friend, if you still have questions after watching the video, be sure to write to me in private messages on Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. First situation, expiration time, 2 minutes. I open a trade for sale for $2,000. Now I will explain in detail how this strategy works. Look, it's pretty simple. We get the first signal from the parabolic SAR indicator. It has started to form points above the candles. This is a classic sign of a change in the direction of price movement and indicates the possible beginning of a downtrend. When such points appear, it means that the buying momentum is weakening and sellers are beginning to dominate the market. The second important signal comes from the rate of change indicator. Its line has crossed the thin middle line from top to bottom, confirming the loss of strength of the previous upward movement and indicating a likely continuation of the downtrend. Such a crossover indicates a change in the pace of price movement. That is, the market is beginning to move in a new direction with acceleration. The trade closes in the black. I earn $1,840. Let's move on to the next situation. Friend, if you want to learn and trade shoulder to shoulder, then do it. Read the description below the video, follow the link, and join our closed group. Send me a private message requesting, "I want to join the team." As soon as you message me, I will reply to you immediately and provide you with all the information you need. Miss this opportunity, friend. Join and start your journey to financial independence in a friendly team. Hurry up. There are only 7 places left today. I am waiting for you, friend. Excellent signal. Expiration time, 2 minutes. I open a trade for sale for $2,000. The chart shows a clear and confident downward movement, and all the indicators used confidently confirm this direction, which creates a suitable moment to enter the trade. When working with this strategy, special attention should be paid to the parabolic SAR indicator. It not only shows the direction of the trend, but also helps to determine its stage. The most optimal moment to enter is when 2 to 6 dots appear above the candles. This indicates that the downward movement is just beginning to develop, and you have a high probability of entering the market at the initial stage of the trend. If there are too many dots, for example, 7 or more, it means that the movement has already been going on for some time, and the potential for the trend to continue may be limited. In this case, entering the market becomes more risky because the momentum may soon be exhausted. On the other hand, if you see only 1 point, it is also premature to enter. The signal has not yet been confirmed, and there is a risk of a false reversal. Therefore, follow the rule. Wait for 2 to 6 parabolic SAR points, confirming the trend, and only then consider opening a trade. This approach helps to reduce risk and increase the reliability of each trade. The result is pleasing. I earned $1,840. Great, I continue trading. New opportunity. Expiration time, 2 minutes. Opening a trade to buy for $2,000. All strategy parameters are met, and the chart shows a strong and stable upward movement. The appearance of a large green impulse candle is particularly encouraging. This is a reliable additional factor that indicates a significant presence of buyers in the market. Such a candle is formed when upward pressure from traders becomes predominant, which indicates the presence of sustainable energy to continue the current movement. Within the framework of the applied methodology, this is one of those visual signals that reinforces the validity of the decision made. When the indicators confirm the direction and the behavior of the chart corresponds to the given structure, there is a high degree of confidence that the observed trend will continue. It is at such moments that the strategy shows its maximum effectiveness, allowing you to act consistently and confidently without unnecessary risks. It is important to understand that combining technical signals with the visual picture of the chart helps to objectively assess the situation and make informed decisions, especially when such a powerful impulse appears on the market as it does now. And again, a confident plus. The balance is replenished by $1,840. Let's move on. Good situation. Expiration time, 2 minutes. I open a trade for sale for $2,000. The chart shows excellent dynamics, and all technical indicators confidently confirm my decision. The situation is developing as favorably as possible. Earlier, there was a slight sideways movement in which the market was essentially accumulating energy. Such periods of consolidation often precede powerful directional impulses. Now we can see how the candles have sharply broken out of this narrow range, which indicates increased activity and strengthening of one of the sides. In this case, buyers or sellers, depending on the direction. This gives additional confidence in the sustainability of the movement that has begun and increases the chances of obtaining a stable result. When momentum develops after an accumulation phase, it means that the market has decided on a direction, and the current movement usually has good momentum. At such moments, the strategy shows its maximum strength. It is these moments that most often lead to the successful completion of the analysis and the achievement of the desired result. The trade is in the black. I made $1,840. The balance is already $12,460. Let's sum up. Congratulations on the result. You managed to increase your balance from $5,100 to $12,460 in just one trading session. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I will be happy to help, explain the details, and advise you on how to feel more confident in the market. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. My name is Norman. See you soon and happy trading.